had meaning some affinity towards neuro since my JR shift. I was posted in neuro in my second year, so from there I started little interest in neurology. Finally, when I started working as a SR in a neurology department, I developed further interest, seeing my consultants and all how they are approaching, making diagnosis. So that was a fascinating part. I have thoroughly followed speed videos from the beginning. First, I used to attend the live videos whenever live classes. I used to make sure that I was attending the live classes as much as possible because that used to at least keep me in some schedule for reading at least 2 or 3 hours in a day.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and team of Speed to Dr. Shreshtha Gupta for scoring rank number 32 in CML and rank number 38 in AML in the Super Speciality of DM Neurology. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Doctor, we want to know your brief background history from where you started till date.
So I have done my MBBS from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Medical College, Jabalpur. And then I've done my MD from Goa Medical College. I finished my MD in 2021. After that, I have served 1 year bond as a senior resident in neurology only, which I finished last year only in October. And after that, I took a brief break for 2 3 months. Then from February, I started reading.
Doctor, can you share your strategy and methodology of preparation?
So I have thoroughly followed speed videos from the beginning. First, I used to attend the live videos whenever live classes. I used to make sure that I was attending the live classes as much as possible because that used to at least keep me in some schedule for reading at least 2 or 3 hours in a day. And secondly, I used to see all the Harrison 21st edition videos, and for INISS specifically, I could not see all the videos of Bradley, but I have covered the important topics like epilepsy, stroke, movement disorders, and neuroradiology part, all those from the Bradley lectures which were there. And then I used to give subject wise test always and regularly, maybe in a 2 weeks or more or in a month, a grand test at least to keep me on the toes. So basically, it was speed ka videos, making notes, giving tests, and then revising it.
Doctor, why specifically DM Neurology?
So I had meaning some affinity towards neuro since my JR shift. I was posted in neuro in my second year, so from there I started little interest in neurology. Finally, when I started working as a SR in a neurology department, I developed further interest, seeing my consultants and all how they are approaching, making diagnosis. So that was a fascinating part.
Doctor, what is the message that you want to give to the students who are aspiring for DM Neurology?
The exam is not tough. INISS is it's a quite organized exam and it is quite a stable exam. You know the course, so I would recommend. What I have done is speed videos are excellent, sir. They have covered everything. So basically, you have to just make your notes, go through videos, whatever is suiting you, and revise it again. Give test on regular basis, and that would be enough, sir. For INSS, if I have just read for some 15 or 20 days, sir, because before that only I have given NEET and finished reading for NEET. So INSS I read for 15 20 days. So whatever I have prepared before, I revised that only, sir. And basically for INSS, it is very important to give the grand test, sir.
Okay.
Get to know the topics and questions.
Okay. Time to thank, and whom all you want to thank, you can do so using this platform.
So my family, I would like to thank first. They were a big support. My mother, father, sister, my husband, my best friend. And my one senior is also there. She only recommended me speed because she has done. She's also doing neurology.
Okay.
Dr. Meghna. So and other than that, I have big thanks to the entire team of speed. Dr. Jobin, Dr. Arun, Dr. Madhu, Dr. Manu. I was a big fan. Dr. Dheeraj. So speed has literally made it very easy for us, whether it was NEET or whether it was INISS. I always had a backup of speed going through the slides. It was amazing, sir. And sir, you also, meaning there are words only to thank you, sir. I used to watch your motivational videos and all. So speed has a big role in whatever I.
Great, Doctor, being with us and sharing your experiences. We once again wish you all the best and all the success for a great career in DM Neurology. Best wishes.